Hello everyone, if you are looking for a video on how to get the new Shopify one-page checkout in 2023, you are in the right place. Here in this video, I am going to show you what is the one-page checkout and how are you going to know if this is available on your store and how are you going to get the new Shopify one-page checkout. One page checkout is in early access and is available only to some merchants. To determine if one page checkout is available on your store, in your Shopify admin, go to settings, then find for the checkout. And when you open the checkout, if one page checkout is available on your store, then a banner displays that indicates you are using one page checkout. But if you didn't set up that yet, if you look here and if you are eligible, you will see a banner which will say there is a new update about the one page checkout, and it will ask if you want to update your site to the one page checkout. And if your store is on the Shopify Plus plan and is included in early access, then you can offer your customers a faster checkout experience by switching from the current three-page checkout layout to one-page checkout in your checkout editor. To be eligible to use the one-page checkout layout, you need to be upgraded to checkout extensibility. But if your store is on a non-Shopify Plus plan and is included in early access, then you can offer your customers a faster checkout experience by opting into the early access from your checkout settings. If your store is on the Shopify Plus plan, then you can switch between one-page checkout and three-page checkout from the branding setting section of your checkout editor. So, one-page checkout puts up all the elements of a standard checkout process on a single page and lets the customer fill out the checkout fields in any particular order. While on a multi-page or multi-step checkout breaks down the entire checkout process into several pages. Customers have to fill in their details on each page separately to finish the checkout process. But the one-page checkouts collect the same information from customers as the current three-page checkout. Here are the pros of one-page checkout. So let's talk with the first one, wherein it encourages quick checkout. With all the checkout related details upfront, it allows customers to check out quickly. They get rid of clicking multiple times to head towards the next steps and can enter all their details regarding billing, shipping, and payment on the same page. The second one is the easy to understand. A one-step checkout makes the page design simple and easy to understand and presents a clear picture in front of the customer. This also makes it easy for them to verify their details since they do not need to switch between pages. The third pros is reduces cart abandonment rate. An intricate checkout is one of the main reasons for shopping cart abandonment. It is therefore important to optimize your checkout process and provide customers with a smooth checkout experience. One page checkout is the best way to do that. And that's it. I hope you find this video helpful for you, and please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.